Blackhead ear extraction. Hello, skincare enthusiasts. Welcome back to Skincare Bliss, where we dive deep into the world of skincare and self-care. Today, we have an exciting and educational video for you, blackhead ear extraction. If you find extraction videos satisfying or if you're curious about how to safely remove blackheads from your ears, you're in the right place. Before we get started, let's talk about the tools we'll be using. Proper tools are essential for safe and effective extraction. Here's what we have today. A pair of clean gloves, sterilized comedone extractors, cotton swabs and pads, a magnifying mirror for better visibility, alcohol wipes for sanitizing the area, soothing antiseptic solution for aftercare. Always start with clean hands and tools to prevent any infection. Now, let's sanitize the area with an alcohol wipe. Next, I'm going to gently press around the blackhead with a comedone extractor. Remember, if the blackhead doesn't come out easily, don't force it. Forcing can damage your skin. Apply gentle pressure until the blackhead is released. Once extracted, clean the area with a cotton swab dipped in antiseptic solution to prevent any infection. After extraction, it's important to soothe the skin. You can use a gentle antiseptic solution or a calming lotion to reduce any redness or irritation, and there you have it, a clean, blackhead-free ear. Remember, always be gentle and take your time with extractions. If you're ever in doubt, it's best to consult with a dermatologist. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tutorials. See you next time. Feel free to customize this script to better match your personal style and the specifics of your video.